Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Today we've got something really exciting to share with you. We're going to be making a little mini-series, so this is the first video in that series for some simple, healthy and plant-based dinners. So this first video is for some vegan burgers. Let's get right down to it. So when we're thinking of a plant-based or vegan burger, we want to mimic that fats element in there, and this is going to help to keep some moisture in the burger. So for this we're going to use some walnuts. Just going to get these chopped down nice and fine, and this is also going to contribute to the texture of our burger. Now, to level up the flavour in those walnuts, we're just going to toast these off in a pan with some coconut oil and use the opportunity to sweat down some onions as well. So cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes on a low heat until nice and lightly golden. Next, to level up the spice, we have some smoked paprika, chili powder and some cumin. So not too spicy, but enough to give that little tingle on your lips. Next, we have some black beans to form the base of our burger. Just crush these with the back of a fork. And add some pre-cooked brown rice. So our toasted spiced walnut mixture. Into here, some ketchup for some sweetness, and it's going to help to bring together that mix, and some seasoning, salt and pepper. Next, some panko breadcrumbs and some flax seeds, as these are also going to help to bind our mix when we form our burger patties. So just form these and get these in the fridge. With our burgers resting in the fridge, we're going to move on to our fillings and our condiments for this burger. And what I love best is a burger sauce, which is typically made with mayonnaise. We're going to make a vegan version, so we're going to use some silken tofu to make our vegan burger sauce. So we're going to blend down this silken tofu with mustard and ketchup. So here's one I've made earlier, and I've just seasoned this with a little bit of white wine vinegar and some sea salt. Now moving on to our burgers. So just get this seared on one side on a low heat until you get that beautiful crust forming on that burger. Now here's my secret. To level up the flavour, we're going to add some vegan barbecue sauce, which is just going to glaze this burger, and that aroma is just so good, you're not going to want to wait. So lay your burger onto a bed of lettuce, fresh tomatoes. Every burger's complete with some sliced gherkins, and then top with your vegan burger sauce. So here's our vegan plant-based burger done. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you have, please make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment in the section below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel also, so you're not going to miss out on that next video that's going to land in this series. I will see you next time.